How to use series feature for creators on TikTok. Well, first things first, you'll have to make sure the eligibility of your account and the setup. To access and create a series, you generally need to first have an active TikTok creator account. So make sure you have a creator account for your TikTok. Now, the second thing is you need to be at least 18 years old age, and that should sum up in the account as well. You need to have a minimum of 10,000 followers, though this can vary based on regional updates as well. So in my case, I have 51,000 followers in at the moment and I'm not eligible. However, once you have it, and you also need to have a good account standing with no recent community guideline violations. Now you can navigate your profile menu and then menu icon towards the top right, and then you'll find the creator tools option right here. Now you can see here creator tools. I have TikTok Studio and creator search insights. You under creator tools, you should be able to find the series option. So once you head into series option, you can proceed to select the create new series option and head over to create a series. So in my case, I do not have one, but hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.